Alright, here we are in the sump pit. I was looking at the guy's video, and his backup pump was letting all the water come back down, but we've kind of got around that now because I've got the two pumps, and I run separate hoses for each pump. One with the two hoses, and the float, instead of mounting on the pipe, I've actually got it on this piece of rigid here with a floor flange on that. I put a 3/4 inch floor flange and just sort of let the float sit on there. So I got the two pumps come up, made up a little header. I got two backflow preventers. So you got your main pump, right, with the backflow preventer, and then you got your backup pump with the backflow preventer right there. Wires out and goes up and outside. I have been getting a little bit of condensation on the line here. I guess I might have to wrap the pipe or something. And over here, here's the battery charger unit. I think this is a diamond system. And basically, we hook in here, and if we go into battery, this bad boy, marine battery, pumps out the water. We can do a little demo, I guess. So I'm going to unplug the regular pump, and now we will put the garden hose in to speed up the process here. Simulation of the failure of the regular pump failing. It's just about underwater here.